this another episode with me Arshi. जैसे कि आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं that I am at IIT Roorkee. If I talk about IIT Roorkee, 1847 में ये कॉलेज स्टैब्लिश हुआ था. ये इंडिया का पहला इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज था जिसको यूनिवर्सिटी का टैग मिला 1949 में and it was renamed as रुड़की यूनिवर्सिटी एंड 2001 में इसको टैग मिल गया IIT रुड़की का. और इस स्पेसिफिक एपिसोड में हम बात करने वाले हैं इनके डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज व्हिच इज डोम्स IIT रुड़की जो कि 1998 में एस्टैब्लिश हुआ था. वैसे तो MBA के लिए जब हम बात कर रहे होते हैं वी हैव सो मेनी कॉलेजेस इन आवर लिस्ट बट IIT से MBA करना वेदर इट मेक सेंस और नॉट ये स्टिल एक स्टूडेंट के दिमाग में क्वेश्चन होता है एंड दैट वी आर गोइंग टू एड्रेस इन दिस स्पेसिफिक एपिसोड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो वैसे तो यहाँ पे इतने सारे गेट हैं और इतना बड़ा कैंपस है कि ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस आप खुद ही कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे अगर आप पहली बार आ रहे हो कि जाना कहाँ है, राइट, कौन से गेट से एंटर करना है. बट दिस इज बेसिकली द मेन गेट ऑफ IIT रुड़की एंड हम और भी कई सारी जगह एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. वील बी इंटरेक्टिंग विद द स्टूडेंट्स, सो डेफिनेटली मजा आने वाला है. वॉच दिस एपिसोड. लेट्स स्टार्ट. रुड़की के कैंपस पे और आप जैसे कि देख सकते हैं कैंपस बहुत ही सुंदर है. मेरे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे यहाँ की सबसे प्यारी और सबसे बड़ी लाइब्रेरी है. एंड इसका ऑलरेडी वीडियो है तो जो आपने व्लॉग में ऑलरेडी देखा होगा. देन इसके बाद जैसे ही हम आगे जाते हैं राइट हैंड साइड पे वी हैव दिस थॉमस बिल्डिंग व्हिच इज द मेन बिल्डिंग ऑफ IIT रुड़की. तो जैसे कि आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं दैट इट्स अ 175-year-old institution. So just imagine what kind of alumni network this college has, what kind of legacy this college has, and obviously किसी भी college को जब हम shortlist कर रहे होते हैं तो उसकी legacy बहुत important role play करती है. Alumni network जिसको आप कहीं ना कहीं leverage कर सकते हैं, that also plays a very important role. And then जैसे ही अब आगे जाते हैं you will find greenery and greenery. Left and right hand side पे आपको बहुत सारे outdoor sports मिलेंगे. ये ground है जहाँ पे शाम को यू विल फाइंड स्टूडेंट्स प्लेइंग फ्रॉम 6 to 8. फुटबॉल है यहाँ पे, बास्केटबॉल है एंड यू विल फाइंड ऑल दीज कोर्ट्स. We are at Domes IIT Roorkee. We're gonna have a look. We'll be interacting with these students. Watch this episode. Let's start.
Okay, so thanks for inviting us.
Also, if I talk about, you know, placement perspective, right? कहीं आपको लगा ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसेस कि अच्छा जो जिनके पास एक्सपीरियंस है उनके पास वो लेवरेज है, वो एडवांटेज है, एंड यू आर लैकिंग समवेयर?
सो इसमें ऐसा है कि जैसे इवन जो मैंने अपने बैच में ऑब्जर्व किया है, जैसे अभी तक जितने जो हमारी प्लेसमेंट्स हुई हैं, पिछले ईयर जो प्लेसमेंट्स हुई हैं या फिर उससे पहले भी, तो जो 50% का जो रेशो है जो मैंने देखा है वो मेंटेन होता है. जैसे अभी मान लो किसी एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे, फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव 90% स्टूडेंट्स और 80% स्टूडेंट्स हु आर प्लेस्ड. सो आउट ऑफ देम आई विल सी 40% आर फ्रेशर्स एंड रिमेनिंग 40 आर एक्सपीरियंस, व्हिच मींस इज कंपनी इज आल्सो सीइंग कि नॉट जस्ट द एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू आर ब्रिंगिंग but how you are going to tackle the particular problem in the situation. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर कोई फ्रेशर है तो वो एडवांटेज दे सकता है with the help of their peers who have experience, and same goes with the experienced guys. They also got to know, for example, जो अभी फ्रेश कॉलेज से आया है वो उसको हो सकता है कि कोई नई स्किल्स ज़्यादा आती हो, या फिर कोई पर्टिकुलर एरिया में कोई आर्ट्स बैकग्राउंड का कोई है, या फिर कोई इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड का है. तो ये सिर्फ एक्सपीरियंस का बैकग्राउंड भी नहीं, हम देखेंगे डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट जो लोग पढ़ के आते हैं तो वो भी हम सबसे एक्यूमुलेट करके उसको टुगेदर जो है हम अपनी स्टडी में पुट कर पाते हैं.
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये कह रहा है कि ये एक मिथ है कि आईआईटी में सिर्फ आईटी की कंपनीज ही आएंगी या फिर इंजीनियरिंग बेस्ड कंपनीज ही आएंगे. नो, दिस इज रॉन्ग. वी आर एक्चुअली गेटिंग कंपनीज विच आर not related to IT, which are suppose today one company game which is not an IT based company, it's an operation based company. तो उसमें एक कंपनी को चलाने के लिए see you require knowledge on all the main domains like finance, HR, marketing, operations and the other thing. But ये जो कंसेप्शन है लोगों के मन में कि आईआईटी में तो सिर्फ आईटी की नौकरी आएगी या फिर इंजीनियरिंग स्पेसिफिक डोमेन ही लेंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. वी हैव अ डाइवर्स रेंज ऑफ कंपनीज दैट इज कमिंग, एंड आईआईटी है तो इसका मतलब नहीं है कि हम एडमिशन सिर्फ इंजीनियर्स को ही दे रहे हैं, हम नॉन इंजीनियर्स को भी दे रहे हैं, राइट. एंड व्हेन दे आर इंटरेक्टिंग विद द इंजीनियर्स और व्हेन वी आर इंटरेक्टिंग विद द नॉन इंजीनियर्स, या फिर यू कैन टेक माय एग्जांपल एज वेल, कंपनीज भी वही मांगती है. कंपनीज देख रही है कि हाँ एक बंदा या बंदी जिसको मैं ले रहा हूँ उसको उसके पास एक होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, वो
होलिस्टिक प्रोफाइल.
एग्जैक्टली, ही और शी इज गेटिंग एन होलिस्टिक प्रोफाइल. वो इंजीनियरिंग के साथ भी ही इज डेवलपिंग दैट सिनर्जी, उसके पास नॉन इंजीनियरिंग का भी एक पर्सपेक्टिव है. तो मुझे वही चाहिए एक कंपनी को रन करने के लिए, क्योंकि मैं एक कंपनी रन कर रहा हूँ वो बस एक साइलो में तो काम नहीं कर सकती. नाउ टुडे each and every one of us are connected, we are connected globally, right?
I think आपको जो consulting job लगा that is also into this finance company only, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
And you also got placed in marketing. इस साल तो अभी प्लेसमेंट प्रोसेस चल रहा है तो वी कैन नॉट टॉक मच अबाउट कि क्या एवरेज पैकेज, बट डेफिनेटली यू हैव इंटरेक्शन विद योर सीनियर्स. सो लास्ट ईयर का एवरेज पैकेज व्हाट वाज इट?
इट वाज अराउंड 18 lakhs per annum.
What was the median package?
18.34.
So that's the median package.
Yes.
The complete batch was placed?
Yes. Complete batch was placed. We have the batch size around 80.
So I am at Domes IIT Roorkee and we have Professor Anamika with me. She's basically a finance faculty here. And I have this very important question जो I think बहुत सारे students के दिमाग में आता है जब हम IIT की बात कर रहे होते हैं. तो everybody know them as engineering college.
Right.
And एक perception है that अगर आप engineer हो, you're planning for IT or let's say operation, then in that case you'll find multiple and ample of opportunities. But when it comes to finance, right, उतना exposure in terms of academics, in terms of other things नहीं है. So what do you want to say on this?
I don't think that that's the case. We offer a lot of core electives, and other than that we have many other options, many other subjects which are available for students to kind of specialize in finance. So for example, to understand the core concepts in finance, we offer financial accounting, we offer management accounting, corporate finance, and if students are looking for specialization, then they can take up, there are many electives available. If they want to get into quantitative finance, we have quantitative finance electives, we have mergers and acquisition elective, we even have financial technology in
one more thing, ठीक है, when we talk about MBA as a whole curriculum,
right,
it's blend of theoretical and practical,
correct,
right? So I think you've talked about multiple things which is a part of theory,
right?
Yeah. How we are now, so that student can have those practical exposure in terms of
applications of theory, right? So In classroom setting, we have many ways in which we try to help students so that they're able to apply the concepts. One way is we have a discussion on real life examples, how this concept is applicable in real life scenarios. Then most of the class discussions are case study oriented, where we take up Harvard business case studies and we have discussions on that. So the students are able to apply those concepts and they are able to come up with solutions which is a problem statement in the case study. So that is another way where the students are able to learn about these concepts. Then there are a lot of case competitions where the students are participating and winning. So there also they are using the knowledge which they have acquired during their MBA. And further internships are there to apply their knowledge, and most of the end term assignments that faculty gives to the students, that also is application oriented. For example, in my management accounting course, I had given the assignment that they have to come up with a business case study, take some real life example of some real business, and they have to develop a case study. If there is a problem that the business needs, they have to understand that problem, analyze the problem and provide solutions and recommendations. So that is one way in which I have involved the
Any
practical
unique
aspect.
idea what you are able to recall some of your students had
Yes,
bring
so
to
one of the
table?
student, he has his own business and he wanted to understand whether the pricing of the product or service which he is delivering is correct or not. So he applied the concepts of management accounting and he was able to apply activity based costing in his business, and he was able to come up with a better pricing point for his product which will help him in making his business more profitable. So that was one example which I can think of.
What do you love the most about IIT Roorkee?
Homes for building. The environment, I guess, the greenery and everything.
Okay. What's the best place to hang out at IIT Roorkee?
I guess MNC building. Like mathematics department. And
Mathematics department.
Yes.
Hang out.
Lot
What
of
is the average
exposure.
package of IIT Roorkee? DOMS IIT Roorkee.
Some 18 lakh point.
18.34.
18.34.
Then why MBA after 9 months of work experience?
Exposure.
Wanted to learn the business side of things, as well as wanted to kind of hold some personality development for me that would help me achieve my like long-term goals.
It was perfect for my career path forward.
I was from a technology background, so techno managerial, that is why I'm here.
To diversify my skill sets and get more opportunities.
The same work, the IT which I was doing, I wanted to manage that work in a good way.
Being a mechanical engineer, I was interested in operations, so I tried to pursue my education further.
Looking for roles like product management and business analysts. That is
थोड़ा
why.
सा तुम आगे आ जाओ 5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होने के बाद you came to do MBA.
Yeah, because I wanted to look for roles, as I said, is product management and business analysts that only MBA could provide me.
Yeah, to diversify my skill set and get the overall edge when you go for senior leadership programs.
During my tenure, I was working in a same genre, so like to brush up those skills. And as I said, like techno managerial roles are the main ones which I do.
Since I have like experience in IT, so I wanted to go for product management, and IIT Roorkee is known for that.
To diversify my skill set and for practical exposure.
Enhance my skill sets and boost my career.
To switch from operational role to strategic roles.
DOMS IIT Roorkee, comparatively, there's so many other private colleges.
It's better than Baby IIMs.
Why so? Why you think like?
Much good exposure of IT companies. Many companies coming up like for broadband roles.
They said I chose IIT because of its less fees, first of all, and comparison to other Baby IIMs, like here the ROI is quite good, and also the dual specialization that I would get. Here two specializations you have to do majors, so that was the most important reason for me.
Location you all are from?
I am from Varanasi.
I am from Darbhanga, Bihar.
I'm from Sri Ganganagar, Rajasthan.
Chandigarh.
Surat.
Kolkata.
Bangalore.
Muzaffarpur, Bihar.
Jodhpur, Rajasthan.
Indore.
New Delhi.
Navsari, Gujarat.
Do you think small batch size matters a lot?
Yes, it allows us to intermingle more and connect with our peers.
Yes, certainly personal interaction is better, and we know each other better.
To explore more opportunities, you need a small batch.
Like we can have more interaction within the small batch.
Better networking and great interaction with the professors.
Better cohesive interactions, and also I would say that less distractions.
Yeah, small batch, so you have more scope for working with CNCs, so a lot of responsibilities which you can take up.
Yeah, like good faculty to student ratio. So yeah, that improved.
Like it is very beneficial when it comes to coordination. So,
Better interaction with faculties.
Better interaction with faculty.
Less competition, campus placements.
अपनी MBA की जर्नी को, अभी तक की जर्नी को एक मूवी के नाम पे डिस्क्राइब करना है. So we'll start from here and rest you can think. The question is कि they have to describe their MBA journey in the name of a movie. So we'll start from here.
Give some time.
Random.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
I think since this is based out of an IIT and engineering college, so definitely 3 Idiots comes to mind.
2 states.
3 Idiots.
यहाँ प्यार मोहब्बत चल रहा है.
वो आप समझ जाएंगे सब.
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Yeah, बादशाह.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
हाँ, आपको तो मिलेगी.
The good, the bad and the ugly.
Okay. Who's the ugly?
I mean the experience sometime.
दोस्ती.
ये जवानी है दीवानी.
Oh my God.
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
I hope you like this video.
For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.